young creators. I'm Chelsea, joined by Tichi, the animation wizard. Have you seen a presentation with cool animations and wondered how they did it? Or thought about making your own slides pop with fun effects? Today, Tichi and I will show you how to do it in PowerPoint 2016. So Tichi, what's animation all about?
Great question. Animation in PowerPoint adds effects to text, images, or shapes to make them move, appear, or change during your presentation. It grabs attention and makes slides exciting.
Like how characters move in cartoons, right?
Exactly. Imagine your favorite cartoon characters coming to life. That's animation. Let's start. Open PowerPoint, choose a slide, and click on the object you want to animate. For example, let's animate a picture of a lion.
I love animals. How about using the fly-in effect?
Great idea. Click the picture, go to the Animations tab and select Fly In. Watch it come to life.
Wow! Can I add more than one animation?
Absolutely. You can combine effects for even cooler results. Try it and see.
Tichi, can we change how animations work?
Sure. Click on Animation pane to see your animations. Here, you can adjust the order, speed, and delay.
That's amazing! You can make it perfect.
Let's test your knowledge. What's the first step to add an animation? Where do you find the effects? Can you add more than one effect?
Practice these steps, and soon you'll be an animation pro. Have fun experimenting and stay creative. Keep exploring and have fun.